Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to choose back your personal account on Instagram. So let's begin the video. First open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and click on Creator Tools and Controls under For Professionals. Here you will find the Choose Account Type option. Click on it. Select Switch to Personal Account. Now confirm the choice. Instagram will ask you to confirm if you want to choose back to personal account. Confirm the action by clicking Choose Account. Once you do this, you will no longer have access to business tools, insights, and certain features exclusive to business and creator accounts. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.